Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money out of your Square account in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing payments, Square makes it easy to move funds to your bank. But if you're new to this or things have changed, stick around. I'll break it down step by step in just a couple of minutes. First off, why would you want to transfer money from Square? It's simple. Square holds your earnings from sales, and you need to get that cash into your bank for everyday use or investments. As of 2025, Square has streamlined the process with some new security features, so let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Square dashboard. Open your web browser, go to squareup.com, and enter your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure connection for safety. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Balance tab, usually found on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see your available funds and any pending transfers. Step 3. Click on Transfer Funds, or Withdraw to Bank. You'll need to select your linked bank account. If you haven't added one yet, go to Account Settings and add your bank details. Remember, this might involve a quick verification process. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Square typically allows instant transfers for a small fee or standard ones that take 1 to 2 business days. Choose based on your needs, and double-check for any minimum transfer limits, which are around $10 in 2025. Step 5. Review and confirm. You'll get a summary of the transfer, including fees and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and you're good to go. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation from Square. A quick tip: if you run into issues, like delayed transfers, check Square's help center or contact support. They're pretty responsive. Also, always monitor your bank account for the funds to ensure everything's smooth. And there you have it. Transferring money out of Square in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.